No, that is boring. I can't even stress enough. Like, oh my god. Music for YouTube. So, music for YouTube. Well, as you probably know, you can't use popular copyrighted music from artists because you cannot get paid on your YouTube video for using someone else's work. You have to use something called royalty-free music or copyright-free music licensed under Creative Commons license. And there are different ways you can find royalty-free music. You can find it on the YouTube audio library. You can find it by searching through Google online. Just search royalty-free music. It'll pop up different websites. You can download the music. Some of it is free, some of it you have to pay for. I also find free music from this YouTube page called No Copyright Sounds. You can find music on there, and you can also find non-copyright free music on SoundCloud. You have to change the category on SoundCloud to use commercially, and up under the music you will see like if it's licensed under Creative Commons. That means that you can use the music free in your video. Just give the artist credit in your description box. Leave the links to their page and social media and the link to download the music. So, the big drum roll of it all, like, oh my god, I can't even stress enough, like, so the big thing to have a successful YouTube channel, please have some type of personality. Like, don't come on camera, hi, well, my name is Amber and today I'm going to be recording. No, that is boring. Who wants to sit there and watch somebody talk for such and such minutes and you don't have any type of excitement, like you want to even record the video? Have some personality and just be yourself. I know sometimes it's hard to get on camera, especially if you're new at it, to just talk to the camera because it's kind of weird and you may feel a little awkward, but just be yourself. That's all you gotta do. Like, being yourself on camera will attract an audience that genuinely likes you for you. Like, you don't have to come on camera being fake or anything. Just be yourself and have some personalities, and I promise you, your channel will grow. Growing subscribers. We're moving on to growing subscribers. Well, you need to be consistent with uploading. I'm gonna say that again. Be consistent with uploading. When you're starting a YouTube channel, you want to be consistent with uploading videos, because when you upload videos consistently, and I'm not saying that you have to have a schedule, but don't record once a month and leave, come back, record, come back in 2 months. Your channel isn't going to grow like that. When you record consistently and you're uploading, YouTube starts to notice that. YouTube starts to put your YouTube channel out there and start suggesting your videos to other audience, start suggesting your videos to related topics, and people will start to see you. People will start to notice your channel. If you're not uploading consistently, YouTube isn't going to be generating you in the, like, you can even get in the trending, like be consistent. Please be consistent. So I'm gonna talk about back producing. You can back produce your videos, which is recording more than one video within a day, and you can have one video that's talking about such and such, such and such, such and such. You upload the video, then you wait probably 5 days, upload the next one. Another few days go by and you upload the next one. But before the time goes by, you will upload more videos. And like, if that's a lot, try uploading like 5 videos within 2 weeks. Just upload 5 videos, have a bunch of videos upload within like 2 weeks. 5 videos, that's it. So once you, oh my god, so once you put out a video, you don't have to be like, oh my god, what am I gonna record now? Like stressing, thinking about what you're gonna record, because you already have stuff planned out and you already have something on your phone or on your camera, on your computer or whatever that you're gonna put out next, and it gives you time to think of another video to record. And that way, when you're putting out videos, you're trying to that way you're putting out consistent content to your audience. Sharing your videos on social media will really help to grow your channel. So as soon as you upload a video, you have a Snapchat, you have an Instagram, a Facebook, a Twitter, whatever else you have, like MySpace, if people still use MySpace, Tumblr. Upload like a snippet of your video, like the beginning part of it, and people will be like, ooh, this video looks good, like let me go check her channel out, let me go subscribe to her. Or put like your thumbnail in your Instagram story or a Snapchat story, and people will see it. Like if your thumbnail looks good, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, like let me go check out this video. So promote yourself, but don't be annoying with promoting yourself. Just make sure that you don't overdo it. Just promote yourself so that people will get the message like, hey, okay, this person has a YouTube channel, let me go subscribe. Don't be that type of person that's basically like begging, like, please, oh my god, like please go check out my video, such and such, such. Like, that's annoying. People don't want to hear that. If they want to watch your video, they're gonna watch your video. Using correct tags and titles in your video. When you're uploading to YouTube, there is a section at the bottom where you can use hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to your video and your title. Don't, like, if you're making a video about clothing or about hair, don't hashtag something like, hey, hey, happy video, or like, hey, hey, we're gonna party today. No. Use relevant hashtags in your video, and that goes for your title. That goes for your title. If you're making a video about a lookbook, it can be a lookbook for Valentine's Day. You're doing a Valentine's Day lookbook. Don't name the title something weird like, let me think of something. Don't name the title weird like, see, I don't even know because I don't use weird titles, but you get what I'm saying. Don't use a weird title for a lookbook and you put something in there that's dealing with food. Like, no, because it's gonna put your video with food and you're talking about clothing, a lookbook. YouTube is basically like a search engine, so whatever you put out for your title, it's gonna categorize you with all these videos. That goes for the tags too. So use relevant hashtags and relevant titles that's going to go with your videos. The video length. So when you're first starting out, don't make your videos too long because you're new and your audience basically doesn't know you. So they're not, well, maybe, but usually they're not gonna sit there and watch you talk for 40 minutes. Like, get straight to the point when you're first starting out. And when your channel grows and you start getting like really supportive subscribers, they're going to sit there and watch your whole video. But at first, get straight to the point. But I'm not saying once you get up there, like, don't get to the point. Still get to the point, but have videos that are not too long. That's basically what I'm saying. There's going to be some times where your video, where you upload a video and out of nowhere it just blows up for no reason. Just this one video, you get a whole bunch of views and you're like, whoa, oh my gosh. This is no excuse to not be consistent, because you can get all of those views on your video. Let's say that you get 10,000 views on a video you upload, and you're like, okay, well, all of these subscribers, they're subscribed to me. I'm gonna take 2 months off and I'll come back. Like, all these people will come back and watch me. No, you're gonna come back in 2 months and all of these people are gonna forget about you. That's not what you want. Like, that happens to a lot of people on YouTube. Like, once they see their channel growing and they just disappear. People want to see you, like, they're subscribing to you because they want to see you. Be consistent. Like, once you see that your subscribers are going up and your views are going up, that's when it's time for you to like start going at it. Like, be consistent, start putting out all of these videos, because you will see your channel will start growing like out of nowhere. I want to talk about having patience. You have to be patient when it comes to growing a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel doesn't just grow overnight. You're not just gonna upload a video, wake up and just have a whole million subscribers. It takes hard work, time, and patience to grow a YouTube channel. Just be consistent, just upload, be yourself. Just be patient, because your hard work will pay off. It will, trust me. Don't compare yourself to others. When you're starting a YouTube channel, you may be like, okay, this person is talking about this topic, so I'm gonna make a video on this topic. This person is making a video on this, so I'm gonna make this video. You want to make videos that you want to make. Don't make videos because this other person is making it. What's working for this person probably isn't going to work for you. So just stick to whatever you want to do and whatever your content is, and your subscribers will subscribe to you because of your content. Like, you can follow some of the trends, but don't copy people's videos. Like, you can follow those trends, like, the one that's like smelling like fish to see what my boyfriend does, or like ordering something the person in front of me got. You can do those type of videos, but don't copy someone's exact videos hoping that your channel is gonna blow up like theirs. Also, don't look at their subscribers or how many views they have. You're your own person, they're them, and like, just let them stay in their own lane. Let you stay in your own lane and focus on you, your channel, and you will grow as you. Don't compare yourself to others, because you are not going to be successful on YouTube if you're constantly comparing yourself to others. This is what I really want to talk about. When you're starting a YouTube channel, don't be in it for the money, because the money is not going to come at first. Recently, it used to be a little bit easier to get money. I'm probably going to make a video on this later because it's a lot to talk about, but don't start a YouTube channel like, oh yeah, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, I'm gonna make such and such money, I'm gonna live this way, live that way, yada yada yada. No, it's not gonna happen like that. YouTube has updated their qualifications. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch time within a 12-month span. So it's kind of a lot to explain on the watch time, but watch time is like how many hours of people viewing your videos. Like, you need 4,000 hours within a year, as well as 1,000 subscribers. So if you don't have that at first, it's okay. Just be consistent and you will get your 4,000 watch hours. Be consistent and you will get your first 1,000 subscribers. Once you get that, the money will come later. So I think that is it. I'm out of breath. It's 2:54 in the morning. I gotta go to bed, but I really hope that this video helped you to get some ideas and advice on how to start a YouTube. Make sure you follow me on all of my social medias. Pristiny_Deshia is my Instagram. At Pristiny Couture is my business Instagram, and I'll leave all of the other information down in the description box. All right, well, I will see you in my next video. Bye.